Hey, it's Katie with WTI. I have found a great way to help my son get out his energy. We have had such a long, wet winter that playing outside has been so difficult. So now with this boxer point inflatable punching bag, I can just send him down to the basement for 20 minutes to punch out his frustrations or his energy. What's so great about this bag is that it is inflatable, so I don't have to worry about him getting bloody knuckles or a bloody foot from punching and kicking a sand-filled boxing bag. I have found this to be so durable. It is held up to punches and kicks from my son. Don't let the footage fool you. He is not trained in Taekwondo or boxing. My husband and myself have also played around with punching this. And unless you have some crazy extra thumb spike like a platypus, then you are not going to damage this material. There is no assembly required with this, which is a huge bonus in my book. You fill the bottom section with water and then you inflate the rest of it. Another thing I like about this is you can adjust how quickly it comes back to you by how much air you fill it with. So if you fill it really full, then when you punch it, it's going to spring back right away. Even if you know it's going to come back and hit you, if you actually let it happen, it is still quite surprising. This also comes with its own hand pump to make it even easier to pump up and get started. You definitely want to fill with water before pumping it up though. It can make it very awkward to try to fill the water when this is blown up. This has been such a great addition to our basement playroom, and it really helps get everyone's energy out. And we have had so much fun boxing around with it. But that's just our point of view.